I'm going to show you guys how to install a GPU in the Hyte Y60.
First step is you want to make sure you want to remove the screws off of the side. Second step, you want to make sure the tab for the PCI slot is pushed down to allow the graphics card to sit in place. Third step, you want to align the teeth at the bottom of the graphics card to fit nicely in the slot. Then slowly push the graphics card into the slot until you hear a click coming from the PCI slot. Once you hear the click and the graphics card is in place, hold the graphics card in place as you screw in the screws as we did in step 1. Once the screws are in place and the graphics card is seated, proceed with plugging in the PCI cables or GPU adapter into the GPU port. And boom shakalaka. That's how you install a GPU in the Hyte Y60.